Hey y'all, guess who finally found me? I'm joking. Wait. This happens quite often in my area for some reason. Like the other night, off that way, there was an ambulance. I just heard a siren a minute ago too, so yeah. And now someone got pulled over. I mean, there's a bar nearby here, so drunk driving possibly. It's like currently 10:17 in the morning or afternoon. Words, sorry. And by the way, I started working on a tail, which I'm not going to show in this video because it's too much effort. They finally found me. Oh, and a car turning down that way. Wait, where's the moon? I usually see the moon in this direction. Oh man, no moon. Where'd the moon go? This is right there. Bye guys, love y'all.